Hi, I'm Mina, and today I am going to talk about the reasons that I started this YouTube channel and some of my favorite creative handmade crafts ideas that make a difference in my life. There are tons of great reasons to make handmade crafts for family, friends, and even more when you make them for fun. I wondered how many people would be interested in making crafts to share on YouTube channel. I didn't really think anyone would. But, now I have more than 2,000 subscribers and I really appreciate for showing how you care. Nevertheless, crafting is fun, and your family and friends will cheer for you. Although COVID-19 situation changed my life in big change. I have to take care of my 3 boys with help of my husband at home 24/7 since they can't attend school for 1 full year. Many of us have somewhat difficulties in financial also. In times like this, I really missed my family and friends. Ever wonder what you would say to your loved ones, friends and family if you didn't get the chance to say it when they were still alive? Then that's why I wanted to create a YouTube channel for everyone. In fact, life is short, we should live our lives as much as possible and make good memories with our families and friends even though everything is just temporary. If you are interested in handmade crafts, this YouTube channel is what you need. It's not so easy to find a reasonable source of information in this area. I can show you how to make a natural soy wax candle at home. I like to show how to make handmade balloon flower bouquets using waterproof paper, DIY t-shirts and printing techniques by using heat press and Cameo form machine and etc. I'm in a bit of a bind, so any help will be appreciated. If you are enjoying my content, and would like to help me out, consider subscribing to my channel. It will be easier for me to know your demand about the videos. It can also encourage me more and make more videos. Until we meet again, love each other and enjoy your life.